please allow me to share my thoughts from this note that I made as soon as I found out na kinailangan ako dito for a eulogy. We are united by the love and the profound sense of loss. We all feel for a woman who touched our lives in ways words cannot express. Mother Lily was not just a film, TV producer. She was also a friend, a constant source of light and warmth in our lives, a force of nature whose energy and spirit were as boundless as her capacity to love. Lily Monteverde was a woman of many talents and passions, but above all, she was a woman of extraordinary kindness. As the producer of Regal Films, she carried that sense of community with her throughout her life. Her heart was her hometown, welcoming and warm. A place where everyone felt loved and accepted. Especially if you were one of her cherished Regal babies. I was fortunate to be one, alongside my Regal baby sisters, Madeline Reynes and Cristina Panel. Did you know that Mother Lily was a gifted pianist? I'm sure you ayan o, nag-play siya ng piano. Oh my goodness, a musician by heart. But her influence extended far beyond the four walls of her production empire. She didn't just produce films from comics or TV specials and far too many TV series. She also taught lessons of life. Patience, professionalism, kindness, empathy, practicality, and courage. These were the tenets she lived by and instilled in everyone around her. Her laughter was a melody that played on even on the cloudiest of days. Her smile, a beacon that could light up the darkest of nights. She had a zest for life that was infectious, a spirit that was indomitable. She found joy in the simplest things like her fondness of food. In doing so, taught me to appreciate those little moments that make life so beautiful. I also admire her for her love of her family. Because each time I visit her, whether in her office or her place of residence, she was constantly surrounded by those she loved, her family. I am genuinely grateful to you, Mother, for giving me a break in Mano Po 3, My Love. That cemented my comeback to the Philippine entertainment industry. As we bid farewell to our dearest Lily Monteverde, let us not lose ourselves in the sorrow of loss, but rather find comfort in the memories we shared. The laughter, the tears, the love. Let us remember her not with sadness, but with the joy she brought into our lives. The lessons she taught us and the love she shared with us. Mother, you were a blessing in our lives, a light that will never dim. You were a friend who left footprints of love and kindness on our hearts. I will miss traveling and working with you as my producer. As we say our goodbye, know that your spirit will continue to live on in the garden of our memories, in the bloom of every flower, in the rustle of every leaf. Rest in peace, dearest Mother Lily. You will be missed and forever be remembered. I love you. Thank you.